How long does the treatment take?
It takes us about an hour to set up, maybe an hour to 2 hours to get it up to a lethal temperature of above 120, 135 degrees. And then we want to cook it for another 4, 5, 6 hours, depending on amount of content and depending on surface areas, things like that, to really make sure everything is done. We can't leave a single bug, and we're obsessive and overkill on this, on how long we're going to treat for. Once we're done with that, 4, 5, 6 hours, takes another hour to pack everything up and leave. So it's, plan on it being a 12-hour period. It could go as long as 14 hours. So it is a fair amount of cleanup after the treatment to put everything back in order, as far as the clothing in the right drawers and folding everything that to put everything back the way you'd like. Our warranty is that if you find a live bug, we will come back and retreat, and of course that we don't want to have happen, so we tend to be very thorough and prevent it.
What if I find a bed bug?
It is possible. Of course, our concern, we do a little education process. We don't, somehow you got the bed bugs. We don't want you to reinfest after the treatment. We do a warranty. Even if you do reinfest, we're going to treat. If we miss any bug, we're going to come back and retreat. On a residential home, very negligible the times that it happens. It is very rare. Multi-unit dwellings, the problem is if the neighboring unit is infested, it's quite possible the bug might walk back from there. We have different protocols for multi-unit dwellings than we do for a residential home. So single-family residential home, almost 100% effective. Multi-family dwelling, it might only be about 95% effective, and largely that is because of adjacent units that might be infested.
So if I suspect I may have bed bugs, what do I do?
Call us up. First thing we're going to do is we're going to come out. It's always a free inspection. We have to verify if you do indeed have bed bugs. The heat will kill all bugs in your house, but bed bugs are unique where they're the ones that are attracted to heat, whereas cockroaches, ants, they're going to flee. Other bugs, and then once they flee, if they get outside, they could come back in through a window or whatever. So we want to make sure that you have bed bugs. We need to confirm it, so we come out on every job and verify whether or not you have a bed bug, and all of that is free.